In Penpot, design systems are basically shared libraries, so you can share your components and variants from a file with your team in order to use them into new designs that you need to create. Here I have this file and I want to share it with the rest of my team, adding it as a cited library. And here we have the icon. It marks that this file is now a cited library. And now if I create a new file, I can go to assets and add library, and here I can add the cited library that I already create, which brings with it the Lucite icons, which is another cited library with my new cited library. This file is using this icon set, so I use both of them. And here I have all the new components with the variations that I create in the other file, and all this information is synchronized, so if I change something into my other file, all the change will propagate to this component. Shared libraries and shared components and tokens can be used throughout the Penpot MCP. In this case, we are going to ask AI to create a new design based on the components that we already have available here in this new file throughout the shared libraries. So I am going to ask it to create a new change password model. So let's see it in action. Okay, so here is the result. We have even 3 steps, use cases of the model. As you can see, it is using the proper components of my design, so I can switch here from select, for example, or go back to the option that I have, and it is reusing the buttons and all the stuff.